Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss you guys. I've been extremely busy with travel and family. As you guys can see, my desk is back. This is the new showroom. It was a challenge. Took 9 guys to bring it here. It's over 1,000 pounds. And I still have some work to do getting my computer set up. But today we're gonna take the Rembrandt Bugatti out for a drive because it hasn't been driven in a few months. And as you guys know, these cars need to be driven to get the fluids going. So we make sure we don't have any damage to the engine and trans. So let's get on with it, and I'm gonna update you guys with my daily routine from the last video. Well, come on in, Nate. Well, you guys remember my $1 million routine, and that was a few years ago. I shot that. Obviously, as I'm getting older, I had to make some adjustments in my daily routine, but for the most part, I'm still getting up 4 to 5 a.m., hitting the espresso or coffee machine, checking the news, hitting the gym at around 7 to 7:15 a.m. and then sauna, cold shower, and then I'm on the road to the command center. Now I get to the office, I do some real estate deals, review some properties, maybe pay a visit to a couple of properties that have some work in progress, and then I have my lunch meeting. After lunch meeting, usually used to go to Cubano room for a cigar, but since I've closed that business, thank God, one less thing to worry about and manage. But what's really changed is my afternoon, not so much my first half of the day. My afternoons, I typically leave the office around 2:30 to go spend time with Priscilla and Enzo. I realize as I'm getting older, they're growing up so much faster, and I don't want to miss out on that best part of the growing up, part with the kids. So I had to make compromises and scale back some time I spend on social media. I love you guys, but family comes first, and I hope you guys have the same feeling when it comes to your family. I still love to do the YouTube channel, Passion for Cars. I share with you guys and try to motivate you guys to strive for the best and never give up. But that said, let's see what this Bugatti can do. Whoa, whoa. All right, I think we need new tires. I forgot I still got the original tires on this car, which is 10 years old. Never do that.
Now, when you said you wake up at 4 a.m.
Yeah, between 4 and 5.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
4 and 5. But what are the benefits of doing that?
Well, the benefit is no interruptions, and you got about 2-3 hours head start, so you can catch up to everything that you didn't have time the prior there to catch up to. And by the time everybody wakes up, you're already, got your plan in motion for the day. You go through your list. It gives you a pretty good warm-up and a head start, and that's significant. If you got 2 hours head start out of 8 hours, that's like 25% more ammo when it comes to time to kind of face the challenge of the day.
Now, when it comes to sleeping, what time do you sleep at?
Oh, that depends if I'm traveling or not. Obviously, when I'm in town, usually I go to bed around between 9 and 10 p.m.
What do you think about the people that stay up late but wake up later?
Not so good, because guess what? People eat lunch between 11:30 and 12:30. So if you get up at 9 o'clock, by the time you get to office, it's 10 o'clock. That only gives you like an hour and a half to kind of, do whatever you got to do. And then after lunch, you get the food coma, so productivity crashes. So I would say I do 80% of my productivity is before lunch. So that's why you get up early, because I get almost 8 hours in the first half. All right, let's go driving. Oh, moly.
Yes. Oh my God.
All right, I think we've driven this car for 3 miles. It's time to go back. God forbid we drive too much and depreciates.
How do you prepare for the next day?
Usually after dinner, I play with the kids, and then once they start getting ready for bed, I grab my laptop and go through my calendar for the next day, refresh my emails to see if there's any changes, rescheduling. After that, I hop on LoopNet or CoStar. I hunt for properties. I love hunting for properties. That's what I do for a living. And then I usually go to bed by 9:30, 10.
Productivity wise, do you have like a calendar? Do you have a this?
No, but I do use the notes a lot. I'm constantly visiting my notes because I do write basically to-do lists on there. It's also on my calendar, but my notes really is the one that I kind of visit frequently. It's very important to write down your goals. Well, years ago, you used to write down your goals in your journal or notebook or planner that you carried around in a binder, but now everything's digital. So I use the notes and it works great.
Now, I guess that's my next question. Now that you've achieved most of what you wrote down when you were younger, what's on your goals list now?
Big goals for me really is traveling more, spending more times with my kids. And to do that, you gotta obviously rebalance your business, being less on social media and delegate more, especially on the mentorship side, so I can free up my time and be able to do that. Well, I used to buy a lot of value add real estate where you make a lot of money on the back end when you stabilize the property and improve it. Now I'm trying to rebalance my portfolio and buy more stabilized centers where it has a lot more cash flow, and you make less on the back end when you sell it because it's, you know, the value add has been done by somebody else, but you got great cash flow. So I used to be more aggressive on that, but now I'm trying to do 50-50.
Well, I guess I'm asking more so like, what are your outrageous goals?
Outrageous goals, I don't know. It's not so much to do with money anymore. It's to do with like more passion driven. Like I want to build my own car, as you guys know. And by the way, we're gonna start shooting soon. Traveling more, I don't know. I mean, you know, cars come and go, but time doesn't. So it's spending more time and traveling more time. So just taking down more memories with my family. You know, I'm 53, guys. I'm not your age.
I think one time you told me you wanted to have dinner in space.
I did, but I don't know.
Not anymore?
You know, I have a phobia of heights. I don't know if that's gonna work.
That's pretty hard.
Home sweet home. Oh, we put exactly 3 miles. All right, guys, we're about to wrap up this week's video, and I want to leave you guys with a little bit of inspiration. What's helped me get to where I am today is always having a goal. And of course, your goals change every year, but always having a goal long term, and then have short-term goals that execute the long-term goals. And never be afraid to take risks as long as it's calculated. And surround yourself with people that are where you want to be, so you can learn and have less missteps. With that said, get up early, be productive, and have a purpose and a goal. Love you guys. Till next video. See you guys later.